So for this pattern I'm using medium acrylic yarn number 4 and 5mm crochet hook. You can use 6mm crochet hook as well, it's similar to this hook. And we'll get started right away. So for this pattern, you need to know the basic on how to make a flat circle. For that, if you're not familiar, I'll put the link in the description box on how to make the flat circle, and I'll try and explain as much as I can in this tutorial so you understand how to achieve it. We'll start with a slip knot and chain 2. I'm gonna make 6 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. I will join. Second round, I'm gonna chain 1, 2 single crochet in every stitch. So far we have 2 rounds. Should have 12 stitches. Join to close the circle. Okay, now we're starting with a bubble stitch. I'm gonna chain 1. In the first stitch I'm gonna do a bubble stitch. In the next following stitch I'm gonna make a single crochet. So yarn over, insert the hook into the first stitch, pull through, and repeat. Yarn over, insert the hook in the same stitch and pull through. Total of 5 times, or until you get 6 loops on your hook. So these are incomplete double crochet. Okay, 3, 4 and 5. So I've got 5 incomplete double crochet and 6 loops on the hook, including the chain 1 loop. I'm gonna pull everything together, push forward, and the next stitch 1 single crochet. That's what I'm gonna do for the entire round. Repeat again, 1 bubble stitch in the next stitch and 1 single crochet in the following stitch. Don't forget to look at the written pattern, which will be detailed and have all the information you need. If you're a beginner, please check how to make a bubble stitch and how to make a flat circle before you watch this. I will repeat throughout the row. I will have 6 bubble stitches and 6 single crochet at the end of this round. So this is the last bubble stitch of this round, and single crochet in the next stitch and join to the beginning chain 1 with a slip stitch. And this is how it looks so far. Okay, turn it this side. Now the next round, wait. So this is the right side. So now for the next round it will be a single crochet round. So I'm gonna chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the following stitch. This is how we usually increase the flat circle. So whenever we have to work the single crochet round, we will work it as same as we work the flat circle. We decrease the number of double single crochet in a stitch, and we increase the single crochet number in a stitch, if it's clear. So 2 single crochet in one stitch, 1 single crochet in the following stitch, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and join. And now again this row will be the bubble stitch row. So basically the bubble stitch row is the same. There is no increase or decrease, just bubble stitch, single crochet, bubble stitch, single crochet. The only increase we do is when we work the single crochet round. So in this round we had 2 single crochet in one stitch, 1 single crochet in the following stitch. Now after the bubble stitch round, we'll increase again the single crochet by 1, means 2 single crochet in one stitch, 1 single crochet in the following 2 stitches. I will repeat that for total of 7 rounds between bubbles and single crochet. I will finish that and come back to show you what to do next. Again, please look at the written pattern so you follow closely with this. Okay, so here I'm at the end of the bubble stitch round and I will join with a slip stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5 rounds already. Now again we'll make a round of single crochet. So I'll start with 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. So the number of bubbles will increase in every round because of the increase of single crochet only, not because we're increasing deliberately the number of bubble stitch. So 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet in the next 2. And join. And again I will make a bubble stitch round before I start shaping my hat. So again, single crochet and a bubble stitch in the first stitch, and I will continue the same. Again, this video is to show you the basics on how to make the hat. It's not the detailed one. The details will be in the written pattern, so please do not compare the written pattern with the video. This is a guide tutorial to help you achieving this hat. It doesn't have all the details as the written pattern, so you must check the pattern to be able to achieve this hat. So here I am done with around 7 of the bubble stitch. 7 means single crochet round and bubble stitch round, and from this row onwards, round 8 onwards, what I'm gonna do is 1 round of single crochet only without increase or decrease, and 1 round of bubble stitch until I obtain the length I need for my hat. So just a single crochet round, 1 single crochet in every stitch, followed by 1 round of bubble stitch. So this hat is for small to medium size. If you want a larger size, you add 1 round of increase, single crochet increase, followed by a bubble stitch. So I will finish the number required of the hat, and then I'll come back to show you what to do next. So here I'm finishing the last row, and I'm gonna slip stitch. I'm gonna cut the thread later. So this is the bubble stitch beanie complete. So I will explain from the beginning what we did. We started with a slip knot, chain 2, 6 single crochet in the second chain from the hook, then slip stitch, chain 1, 2 single crochet in every stitch. Then we did 1 row of bubble stitch, and then following with a row of single crochet, which is 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the following stitch, and repeat. Then again a normal bubble stitch row, then a single crochet row where again there is a decrease, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, 1 single crochet in the following 2 stitches, and we repeat. Yes, sorry, so 1 2 3 4, the fourth row, it's 2 single crochet in every stitch, 2 single crochet in every stitch, then 1 row round of bubble stitch, then the next round is 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, 1 single crochet in the following stitch, followed with a bubble stitch row around, and the next round is single crochet, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, 1 single crochet in the following 2 stitches, and repeat throughout the round, and followed again by a bubble stitch round. And from that point, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, okay, and then 9 is the bubble stitch, 10 is a normal single crochet row, which is the shaping of the beanie. So 1 single crochet in every stitch, no more increase or decrease. So from that point, for 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, so 15 rounds alternate between one bubble stitch round and one single crochet round. No increase or decrease, just a single crochet in every stitch. Hope it's clear. Again, always look at the written pattern because it will be detailed and makes the project easy to follow. So this beanie is like I said initially, with 7 rounds is for small to medium, with 8 rounds of decrease is for medium to large. I'll put the both sizes in the written pattern, so with this, yeah, both sizes with the measurement, so you can choose whichever you want to make. And this is how the beanie looks like at the end. I hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy to follow. Let me know if you have any questions, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.